Pedestrian injured in Christiana collision. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A young woman has been left hospitalized after she was reportedly pinned between a vehicle and a pole in Christiana, Manchester on Monday. Preliminary reports from the police are that sometime after 4 p.m., a delivery truck was traveling down Azan Lane when it collided with a taxi traveling in the opposite direction. The truck reportedly also hit a parked vehicle. During the incident, the woman was pinned between a pole and a vehicle, the police said. Her condition is not known up to the publication of this report. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.